What's up, everybody? I'm Matt Frampton with Urban Slicer Pizza Works out of Omaha, Nebraska, and today at the American Royal I have partnered with Green Mountain Grills to make a smoked lasagna dip and a focaccia with our Neapolitan pizza dough blend. And what you're going to get at the end is this amazing appetizer. Let's get to cooking. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of oil in this cast iron skillet just to ensure that nothing sticks. You can use any cooking spray, and then we want to put a little bit of sauce down in the bottom of this, and we're going to build sauce, meat, some seasonings, some cheese, and then we're going to layer that 3 times before we put it on the grill. Each layer is going to take about 1 can of sauce. You're just putting enough in the bottom here. Then we're going to add some crumbled sausage, or you can use beef. And then we're going to use our red Pizza Mojo. A nice healthy layer of this seasoning is going to make this dish pop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some ricotta. We're just going to spoon some of this ricotta into a Ziploc bag. So I'm just going to take this ricotta bag, I'm going to snip the end off, and it's going to make it much easier to put some dollops of ricotta. When this cooks, it's going to melt, spread out. Then we're going to put some of our white mojo, which is great for like a garlic bread, awesome on popcorn, of course right on pizza. And then we're going to put some whole milk shredded mozz. And that's layer 1. We're going to repeat this process, 3 total layers, and then we'll get it on the grill. All right, now that we have the 3 layers of this lasagna dip built, just for good measure, we're going to dice up some pepperoni, put that on the top, just a little bit more mozz, and then we're going to throw it on the grill for about 40 minutes or so at 450 degrees, and it should be perfect for us to use as a dip. Whole milk mozz right on top. After you've got it built, we're just going to take the lid, cover it, put it on the Green Mountain. To go with our smoked lasagna dip, we need something to dip in there, and we are going to make a focaccia with our Neapolitan style dough mix. About 2 hours ago, I made 2 packages, so we have 4 dough balls here. We're gonna take one of these and stretch it in this quarter sheet pan. What I do wanna do, just to make sure nothing sticks, is just a little bit of oil. We're gonna take one of our dough balls and just pick it up, move it to our pan, and this will take a few times, but we're gonna push it out and just start working it to the edge. We need to add a little oil to the top of this. A couple tablespoons is enough. You just take your hand and spread it out. We're gonna add some white mojo. At this point, after you have all of your toppings on, this needs to rise for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna throw it on the grill. 7 to 8 minutes, under about 500 to 600 degrees tops of the pizza oven. After 8 minutes, this is ready to come out of the Green Mountain. We're gonna slice the focaccia. We've got the dip on the plates. We're just gonna add a couple slices of focaccia to each one, and we're gonna take just a little white mojo. There you have it, the smoked lasagna dip by Urban Slicer Pizza Works.